we are going to start with from where we stopped, which is talking about the other types, the last two, which are sell limit and sell stop. So sell limit and sell stop are the opposites of buy limit and buy stop. So sell limit is placed above current price, while sell stop order is placed below current price. So let's talk about the sell limit, which is placed above current price. Let's look for a particular signal to use as example. Here we have the GBP AUD sell now. Let's check the price and then we apply it. The first one is we are talking about is sell limit. GBP AUD. This is it. You see the chart. The chart here. Okay. So the first of we have is the sell limit placed above the current market price. So let's do that. We change this to sell limit. Let's check the sell limit. We are selling between 1.76 to 1.762, which is above the market price. 1.76. What is the stop loss? We can just put the stop loss together. The stop loss is 1.765. 1.765. And then let's take first TP. The TP1 says 1.755. 1.755. And then we click on place trade. Okay, it has been placed. So look at it here. Do you see that? Here is the sell limit, which is above the current market price. Here is our stop loss, and here is our TP. So it has been placed and waiting. This particular one, this is it. GBP AUD sell limit. So the next one says sell stop. And what is it? Order is placed below current price. So let's do that. The market price here is fluctuating. So we're going to place it below. We click the trade, make the entries inside the price. First of all, we change the sell limit to sell stop. The price should be below the market price. Okay, 1.7, that is 1.758, which is below the current market price. You can also put the stop loss and take profit immediately instead of coming back to modify it. What is the stop loss from our signal? The stop loss from our signal is 1.765. 1.765, and our TP, the first TP is a 1.755. 1.755, and then we click on what? Place trade. That is sell stop. As you can see, this is this particular one here. This green line here is the sell stop. This one is also our TP. This one is the sell limit, and then here is what? The stop loss for two of them. This particular one here having a white line is the current market price. So that is how to place the buy limit, buy stop, sell limit, and sell stop. And also, if you notice, we take the stop loss and TP inside all of them. This one also has a stop loss and TP. This one has stop loss and TP, stop loss and TP. So very simple to follow signals. All you need to do is what? You join this free Forex signal, follow the signals very quickly. As you can see, we have different all of the signals mostly running into profit. So that's very nice and good, quick and lazy way of trading Forex. You follow it quickly and make profit. So as the trade is waiting, you can close your MT4, go wherever you want to go, leave the trade. Whenever it gets to its price, it gets executed, and also it now wait for take profit or the stop loss. So either way, but what's there is that you're making more profit more than loss. So, and also when a particular trade has been placed and is running into profit, you can as well adjust your stop loss to secure some profit. So thank you very much, and see you in the next section.